Welcome. I'm Nikita, consultant at Grobion Tech. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how lead scoring in Zoho CRM helps your sales team prioritize smart and convert faster. The solution is presented to you by Grobion Tech, experts in sales automation and CRM solutions. Imagine if your sales team could instantly identify which leads are ready to convert and which ones still need nurturing. Lead scoring helps you move from guesswork to insight, allowing your team to focus on high potential leads. In any sales cycle, time is money. Every wasted follow up on a cold lead costs your business. Lead scoring transforms how your team works by surfacing the leads that actually matter, the ones likely to close. So here's how it works. You set rules based on business fit, like revenue, geography. For example, leads from high value cities or enterprise size companies are scored higher automatically so your team knows where to focus first. Then we layer in behavioral signals like whether the lead has a phone number, opened your emails, or was referred by a team member. All of these inputs dynamically add to their score. Touch points like campaign clicks, mentions on Zoho click also contribute. This means you're not just scoring based on static data, you're measuring real time engagement across channels. Each lead profile gives you a full scoring breakdown. So your sales team sees exactly how the score was calculated. In this example, a lead scoring over 500 is clearly a high priority opportunity. And here's the game changer. Your reps can filter the list by score. That means they're spending time only on the most promising leads, reducing response time and boosting conversions. To sum it up, Zoho CRM's lead scoring gives your team the visibility, clarity, and automation to drive smarter sales outcomes. Less guesswork, more conversions. Ready to turn scoring into sales success? Let's get started at Grow Beyond Tech. Thank you.